What's up, guys? Dave here with Deranged Off-Road. It's been a little while since I've made a video, quite a while it seems like, since I've done anything with the XRC as far as maintenance or anything like that. You guys remember this? This has literally been sitting here ever since we went to the Grand Canyon in it. We're actually going to be doing a service on the XRC, front diff and rear diff. We're actually going to be running some AMS oil, gear oil in there, front and rear. So things we're gonna need: 5mm for the drain, 8mm for the fill. This makes life very easy trying to fill the front diff because it's in a little bit of a weird, awkward position trying to get that filled up. Some rubber gloves, drain pan, and some paper towels. So let's get started with the front diff. All right, so to start with, this here is the drain plug for the front diff. Front of the car, mine is second hole, third hole back. It's right there. Definitely some stuff on the plug, but not a whole lot really. Okay, well that's finishing draining. Show you where the fill plug is for this thing. It's on the passenger side of the differential, and it is right there. That's actually got blue on it. I don't know why. So 8mm Allen wrench, we'll get that popped off there. Get that in there. It's a little awkward spot there to try and get that loose. Oh. I use a wrench on my Allen wrench. Give me some leverage on there. Okay, everything's done draining. So at this point, go install your drain plug back in there. All right, I got that drain plug installed. We're gonna use 75/90 weight oil. Make sure when you install that drain plug, the book calls out 24 foot-pounds plus or minus 3. Just don't over tighten that. Let's just be delicate. It's got an O-ring on there. Like, you're not trying to crush a crush washer or anything. So be mindful. So these are awesome. It's like a funnel, except you can turn the flow on and off right here. Just twist to open, twist to shut. This thing screws right onto this here, just like that. And this little white piece actually can unscrew off of here and flip over to fit different threaded things. So that's on, that's closed. So let's move over, fill her up. I probably won't be able to video myself filling this up real well, but you got to get that funnel right there in that hole. And you just fill it up until you're at the bottom of the threads, basically, or until it just weeps out a little bit. Let's do that. Well, we'll try and get something here on film. I don't think you can see the fill hole or anything. So my funnel's closed. We just stick it down in here. Put that in the hole just like that. And you just unlock this thing. Give her a squeeze. Got my plug here. Try and get that started. There we go. All right, let's move around to the back here. I think the drain plug is a 17. Guys, if you don't have a garbage can on your machine, overland rig, whatever, go to sackit.com. That's SAK-IT.com. These things are awesome. I've had this for several years now, and I just fill it up with garbage when I'm out there. So let me verify the drain plug on that and we'll get started. All right, before I drain the fluid, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to loosen the fill area. It's right here on the passenger side. There's your oil dipstick. Rear diff, trans filler, fluid holder cap, whatever. It's right here. I know the lighting's not great, but it's that plastic cap right there. And cool fact, your 17mm socket that fits the drain pan also fits right over the top of that. So let's get that opened up. Guys, I didn't even need to change this. Look at the color on that. That is so clean. And this has got at least 1,000 miles on it. Has to. But I'm gonna change it anyways, just for the sake of doing it for the video. So all the stuff I'm talking about it applies to the Can-Am Commander, the Maverick, all the Mavericks, Commanders, and the Defenders. The Defenders with at least the 1000cc engine. I've never worked on anything else, so take that for what it's worth. But this is all, it's all the same for Defender, Commander, and the Maverick Sports. All right, underneath here, starting from the bottom back, this drain plug is right here. It's the first really big hole, dead center there. That's the transmission rear diff drain plug. 17mm. Let's get that undone. Oh, made a mess. Got my hand all dirty. And some pretty clean stuff. Alright guys, be advised. The rear trans gearbox drain plug does have a crush washer. Now as far as capacity goes, CVT transmission, it takes 1.5 liters. That's what it's taken. Alright, got this all cleaned up. Let's put this back in there. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I got that all topped off. Just over 1.5 liters goes in there. Really simple process. Anybody can do it. Defenders, Commanders, and the Maverick Sports are all pretty much the same. Anything that has the 1000cc V-twin engine in it, it's going to be pretty much just like that. 20-minute job tops, dude. From setup to cleanup. No problem. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. If you want to get some AMSOIL stuff for your machine, oil change kits, whatever, hit us up. We can hook you up with that. Or go to rockymountain.com and you can buy everything you need there. All of your Can-Am oils, Tusk oils, whatever you want to use. It's all there. This is an easy job, dude. Anybody can do this. So, all right, we'll catch you on the next one.